What's up, B? I hope you ain't stopped to disappoint a nigga, man. I hope that game is still on, man. I hope we still got that bet, man. What? Man, I hope we still got that $5,000 bet happening, man. What? The Knicks, nigga. What? Turn down the bum-ass stereo.
And the New York Knicks is definitely flexing.
Barely.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint.
You giving me orders?
Let's take a quick toast. Shout out to the Wave Mob. You already know. Ow.
Man, that monkey oil is gonna mess you up good.
You already know the title of this joint. This is about the Air Jordan 3 Knicks pickup that I got today. But before we get into that vid, I got a pickup from Effectus Clothing. You already know, use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. Shout out to Effectus. Shout out to Queens. Ow. All right, let's see. White tee, back up off the wall like some what?
Don't know.
First joint, making waves. You know what I'm saying? Or, hell yeah. Or, put that right there. Gotta make sure this tequila don't spill on it, you know what I'm saying?
I know you ain't getting drunk and shit.
Yeah, man, I don't think about white tees, man. They be like damn near like one and dones. Two of you lucky, but after that, like, might as well have a Hanes, you know what I'm saying? Or Fruit of the Loom. Next one, I think is, yeah, Cracking Vaults, boom. Hell yeah. Enjoy nice right here. All right, so check this out. I'm going to wear one of these underneath this. Check this out. Remember I got this joint for like 24 bucks at Marshall's? Where? Yeah, so I finally get to break this joint out right here. This is the Mitchell & Ness joint. I'll probably throw this underneath, you know what I'm saying? Some shorts when I'm in DR, you know what soon. Or, and check this out, question. On the plane, give me a second.
Yo, you better slow down yourself.
I'm gonna rock these joints twice, I guess, yeah. So, well, really 3 times, because I might be rocking them like on the way back, I don't know. But anyway, what y'all think? Because I wanna be comfortable on the plane. I wanna rock like some joggers and a hoodie just in case it's kind of cold. Like when I'm on the plane, what y'all think? I throw this PRPS joint. I'm gonna do the feet on these, you let me know. But if not, but yo, be straight up. Well, I ain't got to tell y'all that. Y'all gonna be straight up with me. Yeah. But yeah, so I was gonna rock this joint, boom, and throw one of these joints underneath it, just for the plane. Yeah, I know. Yo, shout out to Effectus Clothing again. Use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. When don't you use my discount code? When they got 40% or anything above 25%, I ain't gonna be mad at you. Word. All right, so anyway, this is what y'all here for, the Jordan 3 Knicks. I've heard them called the Rivals. I know them as the Jordan 3 Knicks. And I think these signify when Jordan dropped like 40 points on the Knicks. Or, yeah, ever since I was coming up, like Jordan really owned the Knicks like all the time. Just like any other player in the NBA.
You drunk on that King Kong.
Got your regular Jordan 3 box right here. Air Jordan Retro 3, size 10, white, old, royal, university orange. Y'all know how to read?
Absolutely not.
I had already opened them up when I was outside so I could give y'all that good view. Boom, here they go right here. Then I'm probably gonna have to turn the camera down a little bit, but pull these joints out right quick. I love that new sneaker smell. Or
Y'all wanna pick up this country pace?
like I said, Jordan 3 joints. I paid $161 for them. I used my military discount. Yo, they got away from that 20%. It's only 15% now, but 161 is cool. If I can make like 10 bucks off this video right here, that drops it down to 151. But if you're not like a Knicks fan and you don't need these joints, just chill till they go on sale. They should. Matter of fact, I was on Foot Locker and I seen that the chlorophyll joints, forgot when they dropped, but the chlorophylls was going for like 139. So, I mean, if you want to wait that long, cool. But yo, these joints right here, perfect for the Knicks colors and the that Queens baseball team, you know what I'm saying? Or nah, I like the Mets. Mets cool. Mets got cool colors. I don't like hate them or nothing like that, but it's all about the Yanks. But anyway, yo, let's get into the little review. Let's start with the sole. You got your patented Jordan 3 sole. The sole's predominantly gray. You got your royal blue color blocking right here. Jordan lettering in the university orange. Moving to the top of the sole, you got the university orange blocking as well. Followed by the patented stars. They usually get rubbed off after about 3 rocks. All right. We'll take it to the medial side. The upper's predominantly white.
Got a little tumble going on too.
You got your clear air unit, it's pretty clean. Got your university orange color blocking going on right here. Swerving around to the front of the sneak, you got your elephant print going on. Toe box is white. Followed by your tongue, you got your perforated holes going up to the Stitch Jumpman symbol in University Orange. You got your University Orange eyelets right here. Then you got your royal blue plastic right here that the laces go through. I don't know what to call it. They ain't even go front with you. Leading up to the top, the two holes that I never use.
Pause, all right?
In the University Orange colorway also. Take it to the lateral side. This is the left sneaker right here with the hang tag. The outside part of the hang tag is clear. Got your University Orange color blocking going on right here. Jumpman in royal blue, and you got your clear air lettering. Lateral side, same as the medial side, predominantly white upper, clear air unit. You got more orange color blocking on the lateral side than you do the medial side. And also the elephant print on the front, back, and upper panels. Same type of lace structure on the lateral side as in the medial side. Let me see how soft this joint is. This leather is not, nah, this ain't it, but it's okay. This ain't not no buttery soft or nothing like that. But anyway, we're gonna take it to the ash.
Pause.
Now the back goes from gray, white to orange, followed by the elephant print, Jumpman and air lettering in royal blue, plastic heel tab right here. Now the inside of the tongue, royal blue. It's got the lettering 4888. This is when Michael Jordan got drafted by the Bulls. No, it wasn't. It was when he dropped them 40 on my Knicks. Anyway, so that symbolizes that. It's upside down. See what the inside looks like. Damn. Oh, okay, I'm about to say, I already pulled the joint on. Let's see. Okay, no problem. All right, so the insole is predominantly royal blue. You got your orange Jumpman. White laces. I always forget about the laces. Always, man, forgive me. Let me know what y'all think about these. Did y'all cop these joints or y'all gonna wait for a little while? A lace swap would be nice in these joints. I'm just not really into them and I ain't gonna get into the habit of doing that. You know what I'm saying? Like that's not really my thing.
You too smooth now? That's what it is, you too smooth?
I'm cool with keeping it stock. I like these joints. I wish they would have dropped in the summertime, but it's all good. I'm gonna rock these joints to DR, so it's like I'm gonna still get my my warm weather out of them. But nah, I'm a Knicks fan, so it was only right that I got these joints. But anyway, yo, so like I said, 400 likes on this joint. About to get into the on foot, the best Jordan 3 Knicks on foot out here.
They ain't hard to be in here.
I got a couple more vids before I go on my little vacay, so I am gonna leave y'all with some more joints. But yeah, don't worry about that. I'm also thinking about doing a video of what some fits that I'm gonna put together for when I'm in the DR. I think I'm gonna come out with one of them joints too. But anyway, yo, F all that. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Everybody that's been rocking with me, liking my joint, 400 on this joint.
You didn't give nobody a chance to.
Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this my channel, Mr. Always Your Beat. Shout out to Raul VA Sneaks. See you when I see you. Out.
top of your girl, I got her screaming die. One time for them faces, bees who keep the loudest of the loudest and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans, wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get down, please keep your feet in the sand. Homie Pete Dice with the man, need must I say it again. Homie Pete Dice with the man, they look outside and now slam. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete, and I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got some lights on. You exquisite, great soul. fry my hair like Malcolm X. This shit looks white, don't it? Don't get your wife stolen. That pussy like Poland. These niggas change soon as they see checks. That shit is quite bogus. Now me, oh, I'm nothing like them. I pop out that coupe and like them. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite grease, so cute. Lick it like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. 100K and that's bad.
To me, success is being fly every day, wearing whatever we want, smelling how we want, eating like we want. And I ain't gonna let nobody deter that.